mostly sunny. Highs around 80. South winds around 10 miles an hour. At noon, in the Twin Cities, it was partly sunny. The temperature was 72 degrees, the dew point was 55, and the relative humidity was 55%. The wind was south at 6 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.12 inches and falling. Around the metro, it was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 74 at St. Paul, 72 at South St. Paul, and 73 at Lakeville. Under mostly sunny skies, Eden Prairie reported 74, Crystal reported 73, and Blaine reported 73. At Lake Elmo, it was fair, with a temperature of 70. Across the rest of Minnesota, at Rochester, it was sunny, with a temperature of 72. It was mostly sunny, with a temperature of 71 at Mankato, 72 at St. Cloud, 67 at Brainerd, 70 at Bemidji, and 70 at Alexandria. It was partly sunny, with a temperature of 60 at Hibbing, 68 at International Falls, and 72 at Marshall. At Duluth, it was
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota, has just activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to normal programming.
now the forecast for the